Hope Harry the Hippo made you smile. When you're running a small business in Surrey, smiling is probably the last thing you have time for. You've got enough plates to spin. Digital marketing is just another plate to spin. But if you're relying on trade through your website and social media, you know that customers will be checking their mobile phones, tablets and PCs to find the services and products that you offer. Let's hope they're not coming across your competitors online first, and that they can find you. We believe us small Surrey businesses should stick together. That's why we're giving local businesses something to smile about, with a coffee on us and tips and tricks about attracting customers online, all for free. We can even help grow your business online for a few hours a month or more if you like. Upper Hand Digital, powerful, cost-effective and trusted digital marketing for Surrey's small businesses. Let's give you the upper hand online. That will make you smile too.